Hi everyone, SSC and government exams ki experience mayam ahanba maktada GKGS Manipur welcome tawjari ngasi su GKGS Manipur experience singi damakta yamna maru oiba topic pronouns haiba topic sida akoina 10 rules ni nabagi video ama mayam gi damakta experience singi damakta puduna laksari ko haiba video ase akoigi topic like error detection the improvement of the sentence improvement of the sentence clause test fill in the blanks ko haiba singsida dum important oiragaduba topic amni ko aduga ngasigi topic ase akhoi concept plus explanation plus exercise mamang previous year da hangrabo question sing pusilakpa atopa relevant oiba question sing pusilakpa ko yarakpa nainabagi video ama ogani mamang da su GKGS Manipurna nouns 10 rules of nouns nainabagi video class ama pudun laksakre haiba video adu yengriba experiencing brothers and sisters sing amta yengbiu yamna kana gani na khanjai ai description da link soidana hapcharange or else ai YouTube ki playlist sanga kanda yengbiro ngasigi si topic asisu yamna kana gani na khanjai akhoi experiencing that not only for SSC exams but also for other exams ko yamna kana gani aduna video asi loidrifu yengbiu aduga GKGS Manipur na tung tarak padasu atopa important topic sing da topic wise joina video class ke ama uduna laksaki gani maram maduna GKGS Manipur ki channel asibu subscribe to viduna support to view haina ningsing jari aduga atopa experiencing yongnam gi damakta su like and share to busu kawbigano haina ningsing jari musi ha kanda nasi class hono to rsi akhoi nasi class ki ahanba rule number 1 yang ase akhoi rule 10 rules and agadomina rule number 1 rule 1 da 231 rules haina akhoi 231 rules haina akhoi laigani upa 231 rules ase karino haib matamda akhoi personal pronoun se akhoi sentence amda sina ko matamda kari order sina iba 231 gi order da sina iba we should use the personal pronouns in the order of 231 happen. Ma'am, so idana tabira money that is first person, second person, and third person haina. The two haina represent awise two gina kari two habadi second person haina habani ko second person. Aduga three habana akhoi third person haina habani. Ma'am I aduga one habana akhoi first person haina habani ko. Sain tawdana akhoi kana tawmu matamda grammar gi basic lak tamako matamda akhoi first person second person and third person di mayam soidana khangbirangoni ka aduga yengase tu tagdi sa kadoba akhoi second person hagana kana buno first person hagana kana da refer tawbuno and or third person hagana kana da refer tawbuno akhoi first person di mayam soidana khangbirangoni that is akhoi speaker dubne first person have the like I we natra subjective case ta aduga objective case ta na me us ani like ko and third person ha gana kana sorry second person dong lake ko second person ha gana kana buno akhoi gi wa ngangi ba ko akhoi ne refer to riba wa ngangi ba aina first person aina refer to riba address to riba me do bani that is kana buno ha matam the example ha na ha matam the you natra that is third person you yours to buno akhoi ne second person ha khangre third person ha gana kana buno third person ha sina akhoi gi first person na to second person na to atopa involved to riba me do bani ko like he she it they them kind of have the or atopa me maming ko by name hai ta maming da susat level ko sisu khangjin biro numain tawdana akhoi to rule se 231 gi mawong da sat kani akhoi na kano se even matam da mayam soidana example pakhalak pada understand tarogani ko mayam si hire kanda I rule 1 se experiencing understand taromogani and khanjai personal pronoun se kari order ini ba 231 gi order da igani ba badu adobu exception amo khaktang gi lai ko ma exception je kari no ha matam da one exception ko exception je kari no ha na ha ba matam da akhoina kano akhoina gil ko ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯞ ꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯨꯕ ꯒꯤꯜ ꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 1 2 3 ꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯦꯕ when we admit guilt ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ 1 2 3 ꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯄꯔꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯏꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ I you and he have committed a sin पाप अमा लंगसिले ना हायसे सि गिल और पाप अमा अखोय sin अमा गिल अमा अखोय केदोबा सिदा उतलेबको सिन उतपना मरम ओरकांदा सिगी ऑर्डर 1 2 3 की ऑर्डर से फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड को फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन की ऑर्डर से अखोय एकदम द करेक्ट ओयना कंसीडर तौबनी मैम सिगी एक्सेप्शन से अंडरस्टैंड तौरमनी एन थाजाइको सिन मरम ओरकांदा अखोय क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जेंगसे John I and Harry have finished our studies को John I and Harry have finished our studies लालिबु जगह से ऑप्शन नंबर A दा A की जगह से लानब्रा C की जगह दा लानब्रा B की जगह दा लानब्रा D की जगह दा लानब्रा इन अखोय ऑप्शन मरी एमसे पीरेको अदु तागदे येंगसे अखोय मसागी ऑर्डर दुगी मतुंग इन अखोय की पर्सनल प्रोनाउन सिदा पीरिबा John I and Harry have the पर्सनल प्रोनाउन सिगी पर्सनल प्रोनाउन से केदौबा इरकु मतम दा अखोय करी ऑर्डर लाकनेबा नाउ 2 3 1 की ऑर्डर लाकने अदुबो मी ममिंग दे अखोय केदौबा नाउन से को मी ममिंग नेबा नाउन से Harry and John हाइबा से नाउन नेबा सिसे अखोय की हारिबा से कोने केदौबा थर्ड पर्सन की थर्ड पर्सन होने कंसीडर तौगनीबा को थर्ड पर्सन होने कंसीडर तौगनीबा अदुगा आई दी कइनो फर्स्ट पर्सन नत्रो अदुना मरम ओरकांदा अखोय John Harry and I हाइना हाइरकनी मैम अंडरस्टैंड तौबिरंग को अदुना लालिबु जगह से कदाइदनो ऑप्शन नंबर A को ऑप्शन नंबर A से द लान बने अखोयना करी John I and Harry हाइरोय John Harry and I हाइगनी Now understand Romani. So with this question number, next question then continue to our next question. You and her will join us for the movie. You and her will join us for the movie. Dai the lalim no option number B the lambra. Sorry, B area the lambra, D area the lambra, C area the lambra, A area the lambra. Option mudi pi. Khoi yeng asi. Adu itagade ida you ko subjective case ni her. Khoi subjective case nate ma de objective to sakre ko akhoi du ta de si karida onthora agane akhoi hida you ni mamangda akhoi kari hagre akhoi mamangda akhoi nei na matamda en sina ta di en gi mamangda kari le ta de subjective case lai ta di en gi matong da subjective case lai ge do ne na hai gi mu ko aduna maram orakanda hida akhoi na kari iragane you and she gane I'm so understand the women ka akhoi order is so the number 2 3 1 ki order is so the number she di kaino you si di kaino khoi second person natro you si di aduga she sina akhoi third person natro dui taragadi akhoi order su so hendre aduga sigi rule n gi mamang da leiba n gi matung da leiba sigi rule si su so hendre sign tawdana akhoi ki correct option se kadai da la me that is option number D A की area से दला लम्बे का we will use she instead of her का her की मोटा अकोई न करी सी नगने she सी नगने so with this question number 2 is understand और है ना था जाए question number 3 तो हम continue तो सी she you and I will be traveling by the bus का कदा इधर area दला लेनो so इधर खंबी रमोनी she you and I is in a first person ni first person की position जी चुमना ले रहे you सीधी कहीं ना कोई you से कहीं ना कोई sorry second person ni नत्रा second person की position से लाले को कोई she सीधी कहीं ना कोई third person ni अदो ना कोई कहीं हाई गने you see you and I have से कोई ना कहीं हाई गने you see and I haina haigani. Now understand tawmani ka 2 3 1 haina masigi format se lakadu 2 3 1 ka. Aduna lalami bu jaga se A da lalame, that is option number B is the correct option here ka. So with this akhoi next rule the continue torsi ka. Next rule yang asi ma'am. Rule number 2 ka. Rule number 2 da kari haibna yengas. Akhogi pronoun ama subjective form da laita gadi ma compare to rakma matam da subjective form da compare to gani ko comparison to rakma matam da habdi akhoi a pronoun in the nominative form should be compared with the same form of the pronoun having a pronoun in the nominative form. Nominative habdi ma'am subjective form duni ko nominative compared with the same form of pronoun ko same form of pronoun habdi subjective oi torgadi subjective form da oi ta de comparison to matam da comparison to matam da subjective form na dum compare to gani ko adaidi objective oi ta gadi comparison to matam da adum objective form ga compare to gani. Do the example akhoi exercise lokhala kan yeng ase questions lokhala kan he is fatter than me no error ko he akhoi da lai se subject ni subjective form ni ko adu ta ga fatter than me den sina kai no akhoi compare to re den se ge khoi kai to re se comparison to ine comparison ka comparison to re do ta de kana gano compare to ja sigi he subjective form se ga compare to bune kana gano me si kai no akhoi objective form ne objective form ne but adu bo khoi kai hai kre je ki rule ki matung na subjective form di subjective form go compare to go do ne and hai kre nominative form di nominative form go compare to go do ne na ka aduna maram ora kan da akhoi kai hai kre ida kai ora ani mi si muhutta akhoi I hen sinna ani mayam so dana khangin biramni ka he is fatter than I am haigra I haigra ko daina hayani dumain tawdana akhoi gi lalami bu jaga se there is option number D ko 3 jaga se lalam bane me hairoi me gi mohta khoina instead of me we should use I or I am haina sinagani ko so with this question number 5 to continue to see him and I are planning the event for the next month and hai ko ida kaino akhoi gi yang asika him and I are planning for the next month and hai lal bi jaga se kadai dano yang asika akhoi hida yang se sida him and I have art talk to ko aduna I si de khoi ke do subjective form da lai re aduga mark se first person ni ko kana kana no planning to je mahak aiga natro aiga mahaka ko adu ta di mahak haibsi da akoina kari form disina kani subjective form disina kani habdi nominative form disina kani ko aduna akoi him ji muhuta akoina kari sina kani ba ko he in sina kani ram so na khangbiram ko sentence ya ho da akoi ke do sign to na subject sina kani aide R sigi mamang da lak to se akoi sigi high sentence se akoi active ta pi bini na ko active ta pi bini na akoi ke do ba sigi mamang da R sigi bhab sigi mamang da lak ka do se R bhab sina plural form of bhab sina ni bhab sina lak ti bhab sigi mamang da lak to subjective form da lak ka do aduna maram ora kan da he gi nominative form that is subject sorry him gi nominative form that is subjective form da kaino he name ko मैम so understand to biramani ko him and I have mo to ko he and I and I gani aduna lalam mi jaga se kada dano that is option number A da lalam bane मैम question 5 understand to mani and thaja with this next rule that rule number 3 da continue to se ko rule number 3 da continue to ꯔꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯖꯔꯛꯑꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯇꯥꯏꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯪꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 3ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯅꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤቭ ꯐꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯏꯠ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯦ ꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯜꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯐꯤꯃꯦꯜ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯐꯤꯃꯦꯜ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯅꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗ ꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯔꯤꯋꯥꯔꯗꯦꯠ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯗꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯋꯦꯜꯃꯤꯡ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯀꯔꯕꯤꯡ ꯇꯦꯔꯣꯔꯤꯖꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯀꯣ ꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯔꯤꯋꯥꯔꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯈꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯔꯤꯋꯥꯔꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯣꯝꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯣꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯝ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯥꯔꯕ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯀꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯇꯣꯇꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯎꯠꯄꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯜ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯀꯟꯁꯤꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏꯀꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯗꯅ ꯔꯤꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯗꯨꯗꯅꯦꯕ ꯔꯤꯋꯥꯔꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯗꯣꯀꯣ ꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯖꯔꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯕꯤꯜꯗꯥꯔ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯤꯗꯥꯛ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯖꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯖꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯜꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯥꯎꯟ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯨꯂꯔ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯥꯎꯟ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯅꯤ ꯏꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯁꯦꯁꯤꯚꯇꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯗ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯔꯤꯋꯥꯔꯗꯦꯠ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯑꯣꯚꯔꯋꯦꯜꯃꯤꯡ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯀꯔꯕꯤꯡ ꯇꯦꯔꯣꯔꯤꯖꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ A ꯗꯦꯠ ꯏꯁ Bꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 7ꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏ ꯖꯒꯥꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣꯀꯣ ꯗ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯗ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯗꯤꯚꯥꯏꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯏꯟ ꯗꯤꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯣ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦ ꯗꯤꯚꯥꯏꯗꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯁꯤꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯥꯎꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯆꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯕꯠ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯚꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯚꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯒꯗꯧꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯋꯥꯁꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯜꯗꯤ ꯋꯦꯌꯔꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯤꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯁꯤꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯔꯤꯋꯥꯔꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟꯗꯣ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯦꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜꯁꯇ ꯔꯤꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯁꯦꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜꯁꯇ ꯔꯤꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯨꯔꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯝꯗ ꯀꯟꯁꯤꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯋꯦꯌꯔ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ A ꯗꯦꯠ ꯏꯁ Bꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯕꯅꯦ Now understand already ka. So with this okay next rule to consider the next rule. Rule number kya bo koi to rule number 4 to do borang ni ka rule 3 to borang male ka. So rule number 4 da jengasi. Rule number 4 na kari hai bano hai yengminnarasi je. Like अखोगी possessive pronoun अमगी मतुंगदा sorry after noun अमगी मतुंगदा अखोगी possession से indicate तौनबगी दमकता possessive pronoun सिननि like to indicate possession साइतार possession से indicate तौनबगी दमकता का अखोई noun की मतुंगदा कैसिननेबा after noun possessive pronoun will be used ka this way the sinagani like possessive pronoun hai ta di karam bano kari bu possessive pronoun hai consider to ya kan like mine yours his hers theirs natra theirs natra whose kind have possessive pronouns in the sinagani मैम सोइदन अंडरस्टैंड तौबिरमनि को एक्सेट्रा so yengate du tadi exercise question number 8 la ko this book is my I bought it last week no year kada masigi book se ai gini hai na tro sigi my se edawa possession am tai na tro du ta gadi ke dawa my se possession ta ko ni du si di possession ta ko gi form da na te la le ba sigi form se aduna possession masigi book se masigi like se ai gini ta na bagi damakta ke dawa masigi my se khoina kayen sina ane possessive form that is mine sina kani yam so understand to birmani ka aduna masigi book se ai gini ta na bagi damakta my na sina kani aduna la le bu jaga se kada da no to question number A is the lale that is we should use mine instead of my ka so you don't understand the viramani ka with this question number 9 the continue to see they brought to themselves this disaster no error ka okay they brought to themselves ka this disaster okay na hida land ba man boni ko me themselves have se masi okay standard oiba form na te ko hen na correct oiba hen standard oiba form o hen ge hai ta ga di ke doba khoi sigi form de sina roiba ko cd akhoi like slang ko you gum da commonly sina ko ne ko aduna akhoi ka yin sina ka ne themselves ko themselves s e l b e s ko like ourselves hain lai ta bogum ourselves ha ba se akhoi ke da standard english la le ko akhoi ka sina ka ne ourselves sign sina ka ne ko s e l b e s ko himself kum dana sum ta ga su si themselves adai ourselves to dia khoi gi sigi s e l b e s ki form sina ne aduna la le jaga se kadai da no that is option number b is the la lam ne ko so with this okay next rule don't continue to see next rule number 5 ko rule number 5 yengasi rule number 5 na kai haide khoi is other ma'am so in tabi ramoni is other aduga one another habs one another ko so in tabi ramani ka adu tari yengasi akhoi is other have di kaino it's habs ne akhoi kari da refer to no aduga one another has na kama kanada refer to no is other has na kanada refer to no one another has na kanada refer to no ana yengasi is other sina akhoi gi kari da sina for two person or things natra me ani da refer to ba or pot ani da refer to sine aduga one another ha ta de for more than two persons or things ka sigi point ni sing minar se ko me is other ha ba ma one another haiba is other na kari kana kana da refer to the singa do two person or things ta one another na more than two persons or things ka segi points in sing biro. So with this exercise the five brothers are at dagger zones as yamna fajaba akoi question su yamna toina hangan ba phrase ama thengna idiom sama thengna ko yam sigi idioms ne kari haribno dagger zones hariba at dagger zones hariba idioms ne kari haribno nangi homework orase do answer do yamna ba you class en ngai bi taragadi akoi comment box ta drop toksin bira amo ko ado yengase the five brothers are at daggers drawn, so they feel it below their dignity to talk to each other and each other has a thing. Adobo hida each others in refer to is Canada no masigi five brothers than but akoina rules to matung in each other di kedawa is other di we should use only to refer to Canada two person or things ka ani de sinagadom na ha but hidadi ke to manga sure manga sina kai ta ya more than two ta more than two ta more than two da khoi kai sinani ha na hai kra one another sinani na hai kra one another sinani na hai kra aduna maram ora kanda akhoi hida is other sigi mohota khoi na kai sina ane one another sina ane one another sinani aduna lalami bi jaga se kadai da no that is option number C D ki jaga se lalambani ma'am so then understand to biramni ka with this next question da continue to say next question da Rita and Renu help one another in the project Rita and Renu Rita and Renu and V2 bha ki second form like help one another in the project ida akhoi one another have this thing one another si kaino more than two the refer to the sin more than two ani dagi hen bada but ida de akhoi ke dawa Rita da ama Renu da ama mabani si tingchila de only ani khatane ba oi ani khatane refer to ise ani khatta refer to the akhoi hojik su mamang dos nei na kare kari sin ne ba akhoi one another gi muhuta kai sin ani de ta de is other sinagani. So aduna lalami jaga se option number B that is B ki area se lalami. So sumai tawdana mayam question number 11 so understand to mone thajai next rule consider to next rule number kya hodino rule number 6 ka yenga se ta de rule number 6 ta kari hai no do rule number 6 rule number 6 ta yengminnarasi khoi who whom or whose haiba khoi wahai ahum sigi www ahum de thengnaramni ka who sina kanada refer to do kari kam matang de singa gadum no whom sina kam matang de singa do no yang who se khoi na always subjective case ta sinagani ka subjective case ta sinagani aduga whom sina kari akhoi objective case ta sinagani sigi pronoun sing reflexive pronoun hai tare ka sigi reflexive pronoun who whom whose who sina kari subjective case sinagani koi gi whom sina kari objective case sinagani aduga koi gi whose sina koi gi possessive case hai tare possessive case ta sinagani ka मैम सिगी point ahum je khangjin biro ka 1 2 and 3 exercise am khotang lo khala yeng si yam ni cham chamba ka may I know to who I am speaking may I know akhoi rule ama so hida phajaba rule ama so lo e ko to gi matung da akhoi always bedoba objective case sinagani to gi matung da akhoi always objective case sinagani ka to gi matung da akhoi never subjective case se akhoi sinaba sung theng na roi ka subjective case se sinaroi but the lady should akhoi to ko may I know to laire to sigi matung da akhoi who ko who se theng re who se akhoi hujik rule du no so ai gra who se subjective form ne subjective case ne lairis ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯔꯨꯜ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤভ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤভ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯨꯝꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯅꯤ ꯇꯨ ꯍꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯨ ꯍꯨꯝ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯀꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯇꯨ ꯍꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯇꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤভ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯦ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯃꯤ So with this next rule tamo continue torse rule number kya laani 7 ka rule number 7 rule number 7 sina kari haibno haido mayam pun yengminnarasi ka rule number 7 koi wahai thengnaman each ka each and every haibo wahai yam toina hangan bani ka each and every each ne kari kamaina sina gadumno and every sina kamai sina it's a kind of pronoun on sina sai adjective on sina sai but every day akoi adjective ni ko adjective form ni am so don't understand the wrong nine thazai aduna marum wa kan is di akoi ke dora it refers to individuals members of a group ko kanada refers to what individual members refer to individuality on sina individual members of a group. But every day kaino refers to all members of a group. Aduna mahakti kedawa totality ama apunba mo utleb totality ama ko haitar totality mo utleb mayam soidana understand to biramani ka akhoi si collective noun da kano torokanda refer to da ani dagi hen da refer torokanda sinaba pot ngantani ka do makhoi gi ani khaktang da refer to da sinaba oita ga either sinagadini ka either sinagtini ka neither ka neither gi akhoi neither gi kai sinabdaina none sinabdaina ka Tutadi yeng se exercise amani tang lokhalakanda I made sure each of the committee members were comfortable and received an agenda for the meeting. Ko yeng se I made sure I subject am laire sigi subject sige akoi verb be2 desinare ko du laikre du tagade committee members each of the committee members sigi each na akoi refer to is a committee members sing dugi individual amamam ni ko amamam da refer to bane ko aduga of sigi mamang da lairabnina of sigi mamang da of se kaino preposition gi mamang da lairabnina koi gi sigi verb ida pi where have verb se sigi ke doba subject se kai oidino sigi it se oidine yan so to understand to birani ka aduna is se akoi hida matang hida subject se akoi singular ne singular subject ne comfortable makha plan par se each of the committee members were comfortable and received an agenda for the meeting du gi agenda amom so refer to we ko comfortable so oire ko aduna maram orakanda yenga se ain hujik kai hijakre the seasonariba akoi gi subject that is preposition gi mamang da laiba preposition of like re ko do sida seasonariba subject is sidi ke do akoi singular ne na haige but sigi subject singular se kadawa where sigi subject ne where have verb sidi kaino sigi verb sidi plural ne si singular on ge hai ta di kari where sigi mohota akoi was sin or oidro aduna lalami ba jaga se kadai de tare that is be kari akoina where sigi mohota was sinagani mayam so idana understand to biramani ka individuality amamam da refer to bane na habida ina jekta ka amuk yeng ase every tree in this orchard produce delicious apples and hai ka adu isa hujik amuk yeng ase every tree apunba ko masigi orchard tu laiba in have se kaino masida preposition ne preposition gi mamang da laiba every tree upambi khudingmak ana haibne khudingmak apunba totality ma refer to bune aduna mase collective ne ba collective adjective ne ba adjective neba ko aduna maram oirakanda sigi every tree haiba akhoi subject se kaidoba singular ne ko masigi or card sida laiba every tree khudimangna produce towe hena hai ko produce se akhoi sigi matang sida bhab ne ko the piece verb ne verb se kari karma mokong gi verb na si the piece plural form gi verb ne plural form of the verb ne but akhoi hi da di ke doba unit amo oine totality amo oine every sin mar mora kanda si gi ke doba subject se ke doba singular ore kai gi no unit amo oine habdi totality unba amo oine low ki ni mar mora kanda ko singular ore aduna mar mora kanda hi da sin ne verb se akhoi la le si gi verb se kai haina ha ge domne singular da subject se singular ore tari verb singular ore mathau tai natra singular on gi hai taragadi sigi verb produce akhona produces and harakani produces s aptilakani ko verb tadi s aptila singular ole dum yang ko wi gino ko aduna maram ora kanda lalam bi jaga se option number b da lalam mul question number 14 you understand or man thaja with this next rule tom continue to se rule number I rule number I rule number I china kari kari harib no yeng asiko akhoi noun ani natraga ani dagi henba noun hai tare ko if two or more singular nouns are used hai tare singular hoigera plural hoigera singular se hida akhoi kathak kaise if two sorry ma'am if two or more nouns are used with or haibo wahai sing or either or neither nor neither nor not only but also not only but also haibo wahai sing siga noun ani natraga ani dagi hen baga sinnarak taragadi akhoi possessive pronoun do koi nearest subject to ga point the possessive pronoun should agree ko should agree with the nearest subject nearest subject to agree oigani yanagani habani ko ma'am ai kano se haira kanda example lora kanda understand to dini ko yengminnarasi akhoi amu petang explain to jarage ko koi two nataga ani dagi henba noun sing se ka doba or haibo hai or either or haibo hai neither nor not only but also haiba sing siga sinnarak taragadi haiba akogi kano do possessive pronoun sinnarakadruba possessive pronoun do kariga agree organi ba nearest subject to agree organi ma'am adu taragadi exercise to continue to ko exercise neither the students neither thingnare the students ko is a subject amani nor noun amane sorry ko nor zina ko nor zina nor haibam se thengnare zina haibam se thengnare has remembered to bring v2 like verb ke second form sin helping verb like ko has remembered to bring their lunch today and hide no either ko kadai da lalim ni yeng se ko koi neither thingnare nor thingnare ko du hai ba hida pi ba possessive pronoun their reflect or able pronoun their have se ke do ba kanada refer to ni du ta de ko nearest subject ana hai kim tro du ta de nearest subject se kam ba ta ra jina se nearest subject ta re ko jina se nearest subject to re du ta de jina ga agree to du na tro yana ga do na tro adu jina se de ko singular name natra singular oibna maram oirakanda singular oibna maram oirakanda ming se khoi nupi gi maming chai phe chale ko aduna maram oirakanda khoi kai dear sig mo to khoi kai sila ane har sina ane agree to godona sigi da piram me plural pronoun sidi plural ne plural form of the pronoun ne plural form of pronoun ne dear se ko Adobu jina sidi akoi singular ni, and at the same time masigi pronoun se jina haiba subject se kari agree tawdune ba there haiba pronoun se agree tawdune yanagadune na akoi rule tuna hai khre ko aduna maram ora kanda akoi there sigi muhutta akoi kai tawkhre har in sin kre kai gino neither nor sinabagine neither and nor se akoi da sinari we understand tawbiramani ka. With this akoi next question da mu continue torsi question number 16. Not only the manager, not only have a thing not only the manager, but also the employees have his responsibilities in this project. Not only the manager but also the employees have his responsibilities in this project. The piriba akoi rule to matung ina khak nainarasi ka akoi his hariba pronoun ko pronoun possessive reflexive oiba pronoun si kaidoba sigi akoi nearest subject, that is the employees siga his siga agree tawgadumne na haina tro yan sinnagadubne na ka adubu but ida piriba the employees sidi kaino akoi plural subject ne aduna maram oirakanda the piriba his haiba pronoun se akoi kai da change ane sidi singular pronoun ne but it need to be changed into kari da change of mathau ta plural change of ke hai ta de kari do la ane their haina harani their responsibilities in project in this project harani aduna lalami bi jaga se kadai dano, that is option number B 3 ki jaga se lalami okone kai haina harani not only the manager but also the employees have their responsibilities in this project and hagen may understand to be record with this akoi next rule number kya no rule number kya bu to khage khame rule number 8 phok to khama ko next rule ta rule number 9. Rule number 9 sina kari hai hai to mu yengminnarasi ka akwai subject ki muhutta if ko neither either anyone none some all haiba wahai sing etc ko haiba maru oina akwai question da repeat tawba neither either anyone none some all haiba wahai sing sina subject ki muhutta follow lakta ga de ko come in place of subject ki muhutta masigi wahai sing gi sinakta ga de akwai kari na follow tawkani ba of it will be followed by o plus noun natraga pronoun na follow tawkani and aduga haiba noun natraga pronoun gi matung da akhoi gi sinakadiba pronoun du su kaidoba according to the noun or pronoun that comes after of ko okay matung da laktriba noun or pronoun du matung ina sinaki ko ai adum ijra ge ko then the pronoun will come according to the noun or pronoun that comes after of faida okay matungda laiba noun or pronoun du matungina sinagani yam rule number 9 is understand or magna thaja du tadi exercise to continue to see either between the two parents will absent themselves from the school meeting no error ka either sinare khoi jeki rule du matungina yengsi either sinare either du matungda kari lakani na hai kre khoi subject ne either is subject ne khoi ne kai hai kre jeki rule du matungina neither either all some natra adaidi none anyone etc makhoi se subject oina sinal ta de if it is used as a subject oina sinal ta de sig matungda kai follow tawkani ba of plus noun natraga pronoun lakani and habani मैम खंगबीरे को noun and pronoun लाकनी अदुगा सिगी noun and pronoun लाक्तिबा माके reflexive ओइबा pronoun दुसु केदोबा सिगी noun and pronoun दिग मतुंग इना सिनाकने येंगसे को either between the two parents से कोइ केदोबा noun दु लैरे को parents अनि noun अदुगा will absent themselves से कोइ केदोबा the follow तोरेबा सिगी pronoun reflexive pronoun से केदोबा अखोइगे सिगी two parents सिगी मतुंग इना सिनाकने अदुना मरम ओरकांदा सिगी two parents सिदे कोइ plural दुन मरम ओरकांदा themselves से सुम्मे को correct ओरे दु लालमी बि जगा से कता न between सिग मोहता कोइना either between की मोहता either of the two parents and हाइगने अदुना option number A 1 के area से लालमी either of the two parents will absent themselves from the school meeting and हाइगने with this among next question di yengasi neither of summe neither gi matungda akoi of lakani summe you pronoun la e summe ko has tried his best you sigi si hai ba da pi ba pronoun se ke do ba you se reflect to inatro you se reflect to ini aduna maram mora kanda the sin ba his best to succeed in the task ai makhata na par ba mathodi ta drabne ko adom ya bi dong so pare ko his se ko kai no you gi reflexive pronoun the your natro your ne aduna maram mora kanda his sigi mo to ko ne kai sina kane your best to succeed in the task and high ne aduna lalam me jaga se option number D there C की जगह से लालम बने with this next rule को rule number 9 से तो उखरे को and कई इधर continue तो सी rule number 10 rule number 10 दा continue तो सी को rule number 10 से ना करी हाइडी have the मैम खंगमिनरसी अखोगी वही like separation वही घर पी के को मैम वही मैम नोट तो सिंगेरा को आई से PDF to say yaubang agadi yaure ko PDF sembada ai sigi se type tok hodre ko separation leave wahi like report pardon ko dai side favor excuse sai bo wahi sing sida di akhoi ke dawa sigi wahi sing je ok ta ga de akhoi kai ma ki possessive case is not used ko possessive case is not used with separation leave report pardon side favor excuse etc makhoi sing chiga akhoi ke doba sina puma tamda possessive case sina de and habni to ta de exercise something yeng mina se duga dum yam understand toroni question number 19 your separation is very painful to me no error haine yam so don't understand of Viramani ko your separation is very painful to me akhoi na je kai hai khra hai bo wahi separation jiga bedoba possessive form that is yours di kai na possessive form ne possessive form se separation jiga sin na de na hai khra adu ta de lalam me jaga se kada na one de la le ko siga option number A is de la le When your separation have mohta kai ne haine separation of you when hagne possessive form sin da bi da subjective case on top of and separation of you is very painful to me in hagne gantara taramani ko ma'am separation from you hai the word separation from you ha ga dom ni ko ma'am sorry ko ma'am si da mak nga pi gani separation from you is very painful to me. Then I'll maybe the option number A is the tareko. And here with this side tareko, I using the questions in you understand or the rule tara to understand or money in the Tazaiko. I don't know, ma'am. PDF most important updates, daily quiz kitamota, I get telegram channel, sida scan taroga or I description the link to the Haptan game and joint auction bureau or WhatsApp which now sing it the Moktushu, WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp group description the link to the Haptan game. mayamna channel asidagi kanaba khajiktam oisu phangbi tawade like share subscribe tobu kobugeno masiha kanda mayam bomon thagachari thank you ma'am.